So basically, when I was reading the book, I found it very easy to learn, like very easy to understand, to grasp the basics of it. From what I would like to highlight is that the point, like when I'm trading in the market, if I'm taking a buy position, then somewhere in the world, someone else is taking a sell position. So if I'm aware about that particular person, which constitute about the players in the market, that is who all are trading with you in the market. So I would just like to like sum it up that these are there are first in the ladder comes are first in the ladder are the super banks. These are the big boys that trade in huge sums of money that we can not even dream of. Then there are large commercial banks, then governments and central banks, and then comes at the bottom of the chain are the retail traders like you and me. So we need to understand of how these institutions and big banks and big boys they work, how they trade in the market, so that we can make money on riding on their back. Then later on, I also it was a highlight. I would also like to highlight the history of forex that started that goes long back to the end of the World War II. Then the Bretton Woods system, and then how it eventually graduated and evolved to become the market that it is. A huge thanks to the internet and the 21st century globalization. So basically, also I would like to say about the speculators, that is the market makers, and I also learned a lot about the spread, that is the difference between the bid and ask. Like for example, if I go to a bank, if I want to go to for a tour to Europe, then I'll have to probably approach a bank and have to buy euro, and instead of sorry, against euro I'll have to offer rupee. So the bank will set an amount, difference amount, and this is called as a spread.
Correct, great. I can see that you learned and read thoroughly what all the book is all about, starting from the history to what the spread and the terms which you use. Great, Nikhil. So, what do you think this book is all about? Like, it is good for beginners, intermediates, or who are professional in trading?
See, I would say the language of the book is so easy to understand and comprehend that I'll say that this book is an overall, it could add a lot of value to each and every kind of trader. If you're a beginner, you will get to know all about the market, how it works, who are the participants in it, and how to start a trade. It will also give you few strategies, a few simple and workable strategies that you can use to start making money instantly. While on the other hand, if you're an intermediate or even an advanced trader, there is no harm in brushing up the basics. That is all I'll say. So overall, I'll say that this book is for each and everyone out there, and no matter what kind of trader you are, even if you're an experienced trader, even if you're an intermediate trader, but this will add value to your trading journey and help you grow in your career, trading career.
So one last question from my side. As I know that you were already trading into forex market. So what change have you seen before reading the book and after reading the book in your trading journey?
See, initially I did not much pay attention to the spread. Like I did not give much attention to the spread. I was like, like the market was in my setup. I used to take the trade, but now I take into the consideration the spread that I'll have to cover in order to earn profit. Because if I don't pay much attention to the spread, then what is happening is even if my trade is going well, but then the spread will eat away a lot of big chunk of my profit, which is not good. Obviously.
Correct. Great, Nikhil.